Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is about the buses used inside the computer system. Buses are the electronic pathway through which data is transferred from one part of the computer system to the other part of the computer system. It transfers data from the CPU to the main memory, from the main memory to the CPU and other component of the computer system. Buses are located on the motherboard. Here are buses that we will study. First, a bus is an electrical pathway inside the computer system on which data and information is transferred from one part to the other. It connects the CPU to the main memory. This is the proper definition of buses. There are three types. First, address bus, second, data bus, and third, control bus. Now, what is address bus? It is used by the CPU to select a memory word for read or write operation. Generally, address bus carry the addresses of the data. Address bus carry the addresses of the data. Data bus carry the data, and the control bus carry the control signal for operations. Address bus it is used by the CPU to select a memory word for read or write operation. It is unidirectional bus. Unidirectional bus means that it sends the data from CPU to the memory, and it is unidirectional bus. A system with 32-bit address can access. If the address length of address bus is 32-bit, it can access up to 2 raised to power 32 address memory location. Similarly, if a system with 64-bit address, then it will access up to 2 raised to power 64 memory location. So simple, we can say that the address bus carry the addresses of the data to which data have to be stored or to which from data have to be accessed. Second is the data bus. It is bidirectional bus. Bidirectional means that it send data in both directions or which data is sent from microprocessor to memory. अभी माइक्रोप्रोसेसर से मेमोरी को डाटा सेंड करता है फॉर राइट ऑपरेशन. इसी तरह फ्रॉम मेमोरी टू माइक्रोप्रोसेसर वो रीड राइट. वी कैन से बोथ रीड एंड राइट ऑपरेशन इज डन बाय द डाटा बस और जनरली इसके ऊपर डाटा ट्रैवल करता है. इट्स विड्थ इज फ्रॉम 32 to 64 bits. Now come to the control bus. It is a group of wires that sends timing and control signal to all the parts of the computer system. अब कंट्रोल बस के अंदर कंट्रोल सिग्नल होते हैं कि डाटा की एडिशन करनी, सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी, उसकी कैसे एग्जीक्यूशन करनी है. सम ऑफ द कंट्रोल लाइंस आर आउटपुट फ्रॉम द माइक्रोप्रोसेसर्स एंड अदर आर इनपुट ऑफ द माइक्रोप्रोसेसर फ्रॉम आईओ डिवाइसेस. माइक्रोप्रोसेसर से आईओ डिवाइसेस तक जो इनपुट आउटपुट ऑपरेशंस हो रही है, इसी तरह माइक्रोप्रोसेसर से आउटपुट फ्रॉम द माइक्रोप्रोसेसर. अब जितने भी आईओ ऑपरेशंस हो रहे हैं, आईओ कंट्रोल सिग्नल जा रहे हैं, वो बाय यूजिंग कंट्रोल बस वो जा रहे हैं. और सीपीयू कंट्रोल सिग्नल सेंड करता है. सीपीयू सेंड द कंट्रोल सिग्नल ओवर द कंट्रोल बस. कंट्रोल बस width is in the range of 8 to 16 bits. So today we have briefly described the three types of buses. Now you have to understand the topic according to the paper point of view. Any difficulties, any problem regarding this topic, you can ask me to proper. Okay, thank you.